Okay, now we're in another Geely Courier, but this one is most hot selling in the Algerian market. But it's not a full option, so check on here. It's a menu. It's a manual one. Manual one is now the most popular ones in the Algerian market. As you can see, overall, it all looks the same, but without the LED screen and small screen here. But other than that, everything is super similar. And if you are looking for a manual one, then I think this one is probably the best option you can find. Yep. Swirling around, I see the interior of the empty Geely Courier. Okay, let's go.